morning and thank you for joining us. Our morning outlook will focus on the dollar-yen, recent developments, and the potential impact on the markets. Let's hear from Greg in our trading room.
The dollar-yen pair has added 1.1% in the last session. Stochastic has skyrocketed into the overbought zone. Bitcoin has added 3% in the last session. The stochastic RSI plunged into the negative zone. The price of gold has added 1.2% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator has shifted into the overbought area. The price of crude oil has added 0.2% in the last session. The ADX has skyrocketed into positive territory.
Thank you. Moving on to the latest updates in world financial news.
Both Brent crude and WTI sank aggressively after the U.S. GDP release, only to reverse course immediately after. Brexit talks between the UK and the European Union remain stalled, as the sides remain far apart on a number of key issues. The Australian dollar looks set to extend gains against its major counterparts ahead of the RBA interest rate decision.
Thank you, and now let's go through today's major economic events.
The Swiss CPI will be released at 4:30 GMT, the UK manufacturing PMI at 6:30 GMT, the US manufacturing PMI at 11:45 GMT, the US construction spending at 1200 GMT, the US ISM manufacturing PMI at 1200 GMT, and the Japanese manufacturing PMI at 2230 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join our next review for the latest news and events from the financial markets.